Hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, September the 28th, 2021. Yes, almost end of the month. We have here in this daily newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix, binary puzzle number 1, and a binary puzzle number 2. So total of 9 extra Sudokus, but I only do 5 of them, half of them, yes. Otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it. So if I may solve a puzzle in 20 minutes, then I need also 20 minutes to upload them to YouTube. Yes, so it's very time consuming. So only 5, and the first one I will solve will be a 3 stars Sudoku. This one, yes, it will be number 3457. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Which number shall I pick? How about the 6 in this row? The 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. Then. How about the number? Let me scan the puzzle. Yeah. 2. Not easy at all. Thinking too. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is the number 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Alright. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the row above, the only place for the 2 should be there. Okay. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 could be here, could be there. We see there 9, so no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be here. Alright. 2 numbers left in the first row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. 5 and 3. Then 7 in this row, first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Alright. Then. Yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 2, digit number 1, number 2. All right. Then 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. There 7, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, it could be there in the middle row. We see there 7, so no 7 here. The only place for the 7 should be here. Alright. Then. How about the number? 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Alright. Okay. And then let me see. How about the number? The number 3. 4, 5, 9. Interesting. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then. 8. I'm thinking. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. There an 8, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, it could be there. Another 8 there, so no 8 here. The only place for the 8 should be there. Alright. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 8. Yes, the 8. Need to wait, need to wait. Yeah. How about 3. 3. 3, 3, 1, and a 9. 9. 3, 1. I'm thinking. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. There 5, no 5 here. The only place for the 5 should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in the middle row. For the numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. Okay. 1, 4, 3. 3, 3. Then 3, 4. 3 and 5. Well, we have here 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. And look, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. So we have a 3 in one of those 3 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 5, and that box should be a 3. Alright. 4, 9, 5. Then 5, 5, 5, 5. Interesting. 3, 4, 3, 4. Okay. 6, 7, 4, 4. Interesting. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next on the last column. The only place for the 1 should be there. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 and the 7 is missing, 5 and the 7. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Okay, 1 number left in the last column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes. There are 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3 and the 9. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 4 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 9 in this third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there, and I've eliminated the 8. So the 8 goes there. Alright. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, we already have a 7 there. Yeah, we already have a 7 there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 7. Alright. Alright. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 number left in the third column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Alright. Alright. So we have a 5 in this row. 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. There 5, no 5 here. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 is missing, 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. The 1 is missing, 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3 again. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow. I'm very surprised. Yes, 70 minutes. Because for a 3 stars Sudoku puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Yes. And I've solved this in 70 minutes, so I'm very, very pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku in this additional, a 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.